Well, all right. Good morning. It's Monday morning. We've got a week of, well, Wednesday's got big news. So we'll see what happens. We're just going to hang out, watch the charts. And try and make some money together. Um, just for my privacy, I'm going to be trading on. These are inactive combines, so I'm going to be trading on here for my privacy. I will be taking my trades on a different screen. For the sake of transparency, these are practice accounts for me because they're inactive. So I like to just take trades that I think may play out. And as you can see, this one is playing out pretty well. Into the 5 minute and on up. We got 3 minutes till market open. Wow, look at that. I do believe we may just blast up. So we'll see what happens. There is a bunch of low resistance lows down below, but with the news, I don't think we will see much. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. This is all-time highs up here. We'll just wait and see what happens. Working on following my rules, not over trading, not over leveraging, no revenge buying evals. So that's my goal. Just document it. We've got about 1 minute until market opens. If market just shoots up, I most likely will just enter in for this high. But we shall see. Uh, 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 uh. We will see. I was up late last night watching UFC, so I'm feeling it this morning. I am feeling it. All right, we got 10 seconds till market opens. Let's see what happens. Very volatile open. Not much to give right away. Just a stab. We're going to take a stab at this. Not much movement happening here. We should get a push up here. Not much volatility happening today. Surprising me. I want to see a big push for the highs. Did we end up taking the high? We did. We barely took that high. I believe we're going to want to take that high again. Just remain patient. Remain patient, see what happens. See what happens. I'm thinking we come back down into the first presented fair value gap. If I had to guess. And we'll see how we react off of that. Get a tap into it. There it is. Let's take a small stab. We'll take it up to all-time highs. Break even there. I'll take 2 off. Historically, Mondays are not my best day, so I'm playing it kind of weary, safe. I do believe we're going to make our way up to the all-time highs. We are moving very slow. Just slowly. Dun, dun, dun. Let's just see what happens. Just waiting and seeing. We may start to reverse here off this 15-minute gap. I'm not sure. I don't really trust 15-minute gaps just because it's too quick of a time, you know? Too quick of a movement. That's why. Alright, that idea is out at break even. Still respecting. We'll see what happens. Ten minutes in the market open. Came up 118 points. Let's see what this does. There we go. take that off right now. 245 for my funded accounts. We'll put this to break even, maybe even cut half off. Not really liking the market's movements right now. That's not the strongest close I want, so I'm gonna sit on my hands for now. Yeah, I don't like that close right here at the highs. We'll see what happens though. I don't like it. It's gonna come take me out. Boom. May come into this gap right here. We haven't yet. And there we are. I wouldn't be opposed to taking another stab. Again, this is just practice accounts, practice counts, practice counts. I can't keep saying that enough. So, still following my rules. These are not real accounts. Just seeing what works. Came down into the 5-minute. Came down into the 1-minute twice. If we come back down, I believe this 1 minute should fail. It looks like we will be coming back down, so I'm happy with what I got on my one funded account because we are $800 away from drawdown. I would be willing to take another one on it, but I don't know. It's kind of, I don't like the way I think I'll just sit out for that account today. $15 minutes in the market open now. Macro, another 5 minutes and the macro will be open. Maybe we'll see some more volume off of that one. I'll take half off at the highs. Take half off there. Move to break even. Again, I'm feeling weary about going in on my fundeds. Let's try another account. 807 is our all-time highs. Now we are going, we got a big gap now, so it's what I like to call a breakaway gap. Not here to teach you guys. Just here to document. Wish I could have music going, but this is going on YouTube and they got strict rules. We are chopping in an uptrend. It's just a weird Just a weird price action today. TradingView is being very laggy for me right now. Look at that. What do we have that we can tap into? We may come down tapping into this gap real quick. Let's see if we want to or not. It's not looking like we want to. Big move. Big move. Let's see where it takes us. Little morning coffee. So we did tap into this 15-second, but like I said before, I don't trust the 15 seconds. Here we go. This trades up crazy. Wish I would have taken that on a funded. This is where I get scared to enter because the moves kind of already happened. Now we're kind of just, we're not really going to give much entry like this. If I would have entered on a funded, would have been a no good day. That could be a new low right there. I would like to see it. I'd like to see it be a new low. It's really not even worth it to get in again. I just entered in on another funded. On my funded, we're up 342 for the day. I'm going to be done there on this account. Just trying to slowly get these losses back from last week. We are going to hit these all-time highs, though. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared now. So that fear's setting in. I don't like it. Let's see. See, this is where I come in with these accounts and say, let's see what happens if I were to enter in. We're shooting for 807. Let's see what happens. This one, we're up. I'll probably trim some off here. Boom. Just sit back and see what happens now. I do have a trade going on an eval. Just move stops to break even there. If we were to take out highs, it would, or take out all-time highs, it would be here. It'd be right here, and it'd be fast. So I'm not gonna enter on my funded. I wish I entered down here, but we did not. It's gonna play around. It's gonna play around with buyers now. I've been stuck in this before. I don't want it to come down and take me out on my funded or on my eval, but it looks like we're going to. Unfortunate. Unless we have this low established, we'll see. If these lows get respected, we're good. I'm really hoping they do. That's it. I'm out. I'm out on my funded at break even. I may go back in. Just want to try and pass this because we are at all-time highs, so might as well try. Let's find another entry. And if we don't get one, we don't get one. We have this small fair value gap. I wonder if we're going to use that. We may use it. We may use it. Or we're done. We're done for the move. That's the move. Which very well could be. Yeah, looks like that's the move. We may start rotating down now. Put that at the bottom of that fair value gap. This was a beautiful entry on this 1 minute. Right here. This would have been an amazing entry. Just gorgeous. You can even leave it down here. But we are, like I said, that's why all-time highs it's tricky because oh, we just tapped into there. I'd like to see the move up now. There we go. I would like to see it shoot up from here. Hmm. Wants to. Buyers are fighting, but sellers seem to be pretty strong right now. No bueno. It's crazy if we don't hit all-time highs. That'll be crazy. Interesting. We got equal lows right here. We're gonna sweep these lows first. Maybe. My trading view is acting up today. I'm not sure why. Let's see what we do. There's some volatility right there. We like to see that. Keep that energy going, NQ. And Q just doesn't want to give me a chance today on my evals. We should not come back. We should not come back down. We should break this high. Break it, and we should be running towards all-time highs now. But with the way we're moving today, we don't know for sure. It's not looking good. We need to break those highs again. Run for them. It wants to. That's the thing. It wants to. NQ, NQ, NQ. What are you doing to me? I'm in no entries right now on my fundeds. Just kind of waiting and seeing what we want to do. Not much really going on. Equal lows down here. I would not be surprised if we come to sweep those. Before moving higher. It really would not surprise me. Let's see what we do. What I didn't know land. Let's see. I really think we're gonna come down for these lows. I would like to see it. Fuck. Hmm. And here we go. Wow. There's the lows. Like I said, I was just too early on my funded. Took a loss. Now we could probably reverse here. Wouldn't be surprised if we reverse here. Start to flip. Entered in on a funded. We're break even already. Just trying to get this loss back. Nice push. Stops below that 5 minute low. All right, took me out. Up 469. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Boom. That would have been taken out for a loss. I think that's gonna be my day. Honestly. That may be my day for today. I'm sure at some point we'll see all-time highs again, but what I didn't know then. We'll try for a buy here. Stops below these lows, protected lows, the sweep of liquidity lows, and we'll see what happens. I'm not, again, these are practice accounts. These are two for this reason exactly. Not here to show you guys my profit or what I made for the day. Me personally, I think we're protected at those lows now. Look at that. I would even trim off. I'll trim 5 here. We may see all-time highs now. I really want to enter in on this funded account that I'm up 469, but I'm just gonna call it. I'm not gonna give my profits back, even though I do think we'll see all-time. You still have my heart in the palm of your hands. Stopped at break even. Yeah, I'm gonna call it for me. Gonna call it. If you guys want, go ahead and use my code at Alpha Futures. Link is going to be in the bio. So use that code for the best possible discount you can get. Let's see. Just for the sake of knowing. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's not going to work. But yeah, Alpha Futures code, link in my bio. Best possible discount you can get. I'd appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, first video, so we're only going to get better from here. And I think that's going to be my day, because 5 minute looks ugly. I'm happy with my performance today. It's not bad. Not a bad day. Not a bad day at all. Still got 3 fundeds untouched in the vault. I call it the vault. Not going to touch those for a while until I absolutely have to. You still have fun. I don't want that. It's pretty crazy because I called those equal lows. I called them. I was just too early on my funded. It took me out. But it is what it is. Too early in the chop. And now we're chopping down. One last sweep or what? Let's see. That's why I like having these practice accounts. I get to just play out scenarios. be running now. Nice push up. Nice push up. I really want to stay on until we hit these all-time highs, but I really can't. So I'll probably end it here. We'll see what happens. If you watch this all the way through, thank you. And don't forget to use code DTRADES at Alpha Futures. Get yourself the best discount. And let's make this money together. So that's it for my day today. As you can see, we're up 5 on this trade. We'll move to break even. And we will see what happens. So, see you guys later.